Hello to everybody, welcome to my channel, Luiza's Kitchen. Today I want to make Korean salad, Korean carrot salad. The Korean who live in Russia, they comes up with this recipe, and we love this so much, this salad. And for this salad, Korean salad, we need carrots. I have here 1.33 pounds or 600 grams of shredded, already clean shredded carrots, like these long pieces. I have here 2 onions. I cut them. You can cut whatever pieces, slices you like. For the fry, we're gonna use oil. I'm gonna use today olive oil, 4 tablespoons or 1/4 of cup or 60 milliliters. I have here 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I have here 3-4 cloves of garlic. For the spices, I have here cilantro, paprika, coriander, and I'm gonna use vinegar, apple vinegar. So first we're gonna start from frying our onion. So I'm gonna add my oil to my fry pan. I'm gonna put my onions here. So I'm gonna add 3 more tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm gonna fry this till I got nice soft and golden color of the onions. Okay guys, my onion ready, so this is get all golden color and soft. And now I'm gonna put my shredded carrots. I'm gonna put right here. Fry just to make carrots a little bit softer. And that's it. So we're gonna put now our carrots here in the bowl. Now I can put sugar here. I'm gonna put all salt here. So I'm gonna put my garlic here. And now we're gonna put all to your taste, how you like all these spices. We'll start from cilantro. I'm gonna put about like 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna put paprika, about maybe 1 tablespoon, coriander. So for now I'm gonna put just a 1/2 tablespoon, and vinegar I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons. So now we just have to mix this all, mix it up. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I forgot about black pepper. The fresh ground black pepper usually adding nice smell to the food, and I like so much black pepper. So then that's it. So we have to wait at least ½ hour. When it's cooled down, you can put in cover with plastic wrap and put in the refrigerator. And then after minimum ½ hour or hour you can take, and you have nice salad. I can try even now. This is perfect salad. It's so nice. I wish you can try to make the same salad. And thank you guys for watching my video. Have a nice day guys. Bye bye. Пока-пока.